In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add tap to cash in your control center on iPhone. This provides quick and easy access to a convenient payment method, streamlining transactions with just a tap. And maybe reduces the need to open separate apps or navigate settings, allowing users to make payments or receive funds more efficiently. To do this, simply head to your control center. Long hold onto your screen. Select on Add a Control. You can either scroll through or head to the search bar and search for tap to cash. Now once added, you crop to any preferred size, move the control around to where you want it best. This feature ensures smoother and faster transactions, enhancing both convenience and productivity. That's how easy it is to add tap to cash to your control center on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.